When the engine of this car is started, the check engine light turns on. Disbird, why is the check engine light on? To know what the problem is, you must scan the computer, so let's scan the computer. The P0075 code varies by manufacturer, is a common powertrain trouble code for newer vehicles with variable valve timing, VVT, that usually works with oil pressure and is controlled by the camshaft position solenoid in engine bank 1. This code deals with solenoids and electrical circuits. So what to do to solve such a problem? So watch this full video step by step. With the vehicle ignition key in the on position, check the valve solenoid for supply voltage to negative body earth. Symptoms of a bad or failing variable valve timing, VVT, solenoid. Common signs of a faulty VVT solenoid include the check engine light coming on, dirty engine oil, rough engine idle, and decreased fuel economy. What does intake valve control solenoid do? The intake valve lift mechanism is actuated by the lift solenoid, which opens and closes oil pressure to the lift mechanism to shift it from the low lift lobe to the high lift lobe on the camshaft. Check the solenoid valve, place the black wire on the negative side and touch the positive side with the red wire. Use a good solenoid valve, replace if the solenoid valve is damaged.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.